You're doing well. I want to know one thing I need you to help me with. I'll show you the issue. Do you see how right here it's this HTML stuff is getting in here? So it's really should be yes because P1 is the price, but this HTML stuff is there. So this is quiz 4. I want you to start in quiz 3 and go forward on each course. And this, I don't need you to do anything else after this, but what I want you to do is I want you to go to each course. Just do this once a day. Just do it by the end of the course. This is nothing emergency. I'd rather you start with, how about this? I'd rather you start with the final exam and go backwards, given that students are taking this. I think that would be easier. So that's what I'd rather you do, because the closed ones, don't worry about those because they're done with. You're going to go to, let me see how to do this. Let's try this. Now, quizzes, I got to go up here. Manage question banks. There you go. So like this, here's the question banks right here. So like see this question for quiz 14. Here's what we have to do. Click on edit, and here's what I do. Just, okay, that looks fine, good. Just keep on going. Edit, that looks fine, just keep on going. You don't have to close it. Don't worry about closing or anything like that, as long as there's nothing there. So what I want you to do is, you're going to find questions that inside of this, it has that formatting thing. What I want you to do is I want you to delete it from the answer choices and press update when you're done. And then when you're done with that, you have to go through each of the quizzes, but just do one a day. But start with the final, that kind of thing. You have to click on more questions down here, and you have to keep going through them. It should not take you long at all. As long as you have a desktop, this should be a 10-minute task, and you just keep clicking this button right here and keep checking the whole time, looking for that issue in regards inside, and you're going to delete it. And then once you're done with that, make sure you don't have to press update question on the question that you finished. Just press it on the ones that you completed. So the ones that had nothing, you don't have to do anything with. And after you're done with that, you just click, let me see where, you have to keep going through this. Let's see how far this goes. And I know it seems like it's the longest task in the world. It's not. I did it yesterday. It took me 2 minutes once you open them all up, but my mouse is terrible. And once you get done with it, and you just press, I'm waiting for this to be done with. And then once you're done with that, then you have nothing else to do. Okay? Let me know if it's confusing, but we're just going to each question and making sure that that formatting, that HTML stuff is gone. That's all we're doing. Start with the final, go backwards, and do one per course. That's all you have to do. That's what I would do. Like, as long as you can finish all of them up by the time the course ends, but start with the final and go backwards. Okay? And if you have any questions, let me know. But that's all.